Might help if you turn your mic on. Welcome everyone to Tuesday's video. Thursday's video is going to be quite long of a process. I'm not sure if the final video will be long, but that is the reason that I have decided to do something that I have done before. So it's been a while since I've done Dominoes, and recently on Thursday, I did a pour of a new mold set that's a wind chime, and I did it in a dirty pour style, galaxy themed. Yeah, so that really turned out fantastic, and I kind of want to do galaxy themed dominoes now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the same technique that I did on Thursday. I'm going to do blue and purple micas, and then black, the Illuminate black, and then, where are they? Here they are. And then some Larisi glitters in with the black. This time I am going to be using a lot less black than I had in that last one. And now that I'm looking at it, maybe I might want to add some of this holographic silver in. I don't know. It's really pretty. Maybe I will, because I want to finish these off with silver alcohol ink. Yes. Okay, so this is going to be a super simple pour. It's going to be a relaxing one. Hopefully they turn out great. I'm sure they will. Just like I did with Thursday's video, I'm going to heavily spray them with 91% alcohol. Where did I even... Oh, there it is. 91% alcohol. So that way, hopefully there's no trapped bubbles in the little nipple places. So, yeah. That's the plan, Stan. Let's hope it works. Alright, let's get to it. Alright friends, so these are cured. I got to about here, as I'm sure you saw in the video. And then I had to mix up the rest of my clear resin into the colors and make another batch. So these might be a little bit different than these are. I also noticed that as I was pouring, the blue kind of turned to mostly purple. So I don't know. We'll see how they turn out, I guess. I'm going to flip them over this way. And we will pop these babies out. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be using silver to finish these off. Okay. Yeah, so that's weird. Because, like, I mixed it up pretty good. So it's a little weird that most of the green is only on this end. Okay. So let's do this side. Yeah, these all turned mostly purple. That's so funny. Huh. That's weird. I don't know. I like them either way. I think they're very, very pretty. They're going to make a great little set. So definitely stay tuned for the glamour shots at the end. I'm going to be using my silver alcohol ink. It is Pinata alcohol ink. I'll show you the bottle real quick. So it's just this one, the silver. It's obviously a very dirty bottle. But so yeah, so I'm gonna finish all the little dots off and the lines off with the silver alcohol ink. But that is today's video. Definitely make sure that you guys tune in on Thursday, because Thursday I have a box that I'm making for all of these. Got a little bit extra resin right there. I could see it on the camera. It was bugging me. Anyway, yeah, so that is today's video. It is what it is. I'm not really sure why it turned out the way that it did with the coloring. I mean, you know. But anyway, I don't know. I like them. I think they look great. So, and hopefully my housemate who I made these for is going to love them as well. So, yeah. That is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. Helps me to grow. Also, if you are new around here, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.